Hey guys, welcome back to the channel that teaches you how to make Procreate brushes that saves you the hassle of downloading and importing. You can just make them yourself. It's time to broaden our artistic arsenal by creating this dynamic and versatile art tool, the Stipple brush. It's a brush that adds grainy texture to illustrations or type. It can be used to simulate fur and fuzz in an artistic way. I'll teach you how to duplicate the brush and adjust settings to achieve different stipple weights, so you can use it to make cute character illustrations and doodles, or even fuzzy text art. So, let's get started and make this brush. Start with an open canvas, or create a new one. Tap on the folder where you want to create your new brush. In Stroke Path, under Stroke Properties, set spacing all the way to max. And then set jitter also to max. In the Properties sidebar, under Brush Behavior, set maximum size to 12%. Just these three adjustments create a scattered stipple brush that you can use for broad grain shading in your illustrations. Now, let's make some adjustments to create a more defined stipple brush. First, let's duplicate our existing brush by swiping left and tapping on Duplicate. Tap on that brush to return to the brush settings. In Stroke Path, under Stroke Properties, adjust spacing down to 70%. Now, lower jitter down to 150%. Let's add a bit more definition to the stroke by tapping on the Shape sidebar. Then, under Shape Behavior, set Count to 3. To create an even more compact stipple, let's make a few more adjustments. Let's duplicate this brush first, then tap on the duplicate to return to the settings. In Stroke Path, under Stroke Properties, adjust spacing down to 50%. Now, lower jitter down to 100%. Then, in the Shape sidebar, under Shape Behavior, set Count to 5. And there you go! An easy to make but impressive brush to add texture and flavor to your artwork. If you enjoyed this tutorial, consider leaving a like and even a comment. I love hearing them. And if you have any questions about this or any of my other brush tutorials, leave them in the comments as well. I'm always willing to find the right answer to help you. If it's your first time coming across the Make This Brush channel, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you don't miss any new uploads. Again, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep safe, and I'll see you then. Bye!